Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your credit card or debit card on your Onlyfans account. So as you can see here, of course, you need to have signed up for an account on Onlyfans. It's free. It's very easy to do. And once you've signed up, of course, you need to log in and you're going to be brought to this homepage. Now, you're going to see this main menu here. It's very easy to spot. So it says here, add card. So this is where you add your credit card or your debit card. So only click on this. After you click on this, all you need to do to add your card is, of course, your country, state, or province, city, postal code, email address, name on the card, your card number, pretty much standard procedure, month and year of the expiration date in your CVC. And you need to tick here to confirm that you are at least 18. You need to be 18. You cannot be underage going to OnlyFans, all right? I understand, but you cannot. So after this, you'll be able to submit this and you will have a card added to your payment method on OnlyFans so that you could support your favorite OnlyFans content creator. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.